Greetings, fellow Star Wars fans. Have you ever found yourself watching a Star Wars film, your mouth watering as Luke chugs down a glass of blue milk? Or maybe those Wookiee cookies Chewbacca seems to love so much? Well, in a galaxy not so far away, fans have taken their love for Star Wars from the screen to the kitchen, creating real-life versions of these iconic treats. Join us on a culinary adventure across the galaxy as we explore the fascinating stories behind these Star Wars-inspired foods. Our first stop takes us to a galaxy far, far away, where a tall glass of blue milk is often the beverage of choice. This vibrantly coloured drink first appeared in Star Wars Episode 4, A New Hope, enjoyed by Luke Skywalker himself on his humble moisture farm on Tatooine. Despite its extraterrestrial origins, blue milk has become a symbol of Star Wars fandom, inspiring countless fans to recreate their own versions at home. Some recipes use blue food colouring and milk, while others opt for a healthier approach with blended fruits like blueberries and bananas. Whether you prefer it chilled, blended, or even with a dash of space spice, cinnamon. Anyone? Blue milk offers a delicious way to immerse yourself in the Star Wars universe. Next up, we have a treat that's sure to make even the grumpiest Wookiee roar with delight. Wookiee cookies. Now, these aren't your average chocolate chip cookies. Oh no, these are hearty, rustic, and packed with enough flavour to satisfy even the biggest appetite on Kashyyyk. While Wookiee cookies aren't directly featured in the Star Wars films, they've become a beloved part of the expanded universe. The inspiration behind these cookies comes from the Wookiees' home planet, Kashyyyk, known for its dense forests and abundant natural resources. One of the most popular Wookiee cookie recipes incorporates ingredients like oats, nuts, and dried fruits, representing the bounty of Kashyyyk's forests. Some recipes even add a touch of molasses or brown sugar for a chewy texture and a taste of the Wookiees' love for all things sweet. So next time you're planning a Star Wars marathon, whip up a batch of Wookiee cookies and share them with your fellow fans. Yoda soda? Good choice this is. Prepare to have your taste buds tantalized by a beverage that's both refreshing and wise beyond its years. This vibrant green concoction is a testament to the creativity of the Star Wars fan community, taking inspiration from everyone's favorite Jedi Master. The vibrant green color, reminiscent of Yoda's skin, is often achieved using lime-flavored sodas or juices, capturing the essence of his quirky and vibrant personality. Some fans add a splash of pineapple juice for a touch of sweetness, while others incorporate a bit of cream soda for a smoother, richer flavor. And of course, no Yoda soda would be complete without a gummy worm or two, playfully representing Yoda's unique way of speaking. So the next time you're feeling thirsty, channel your inner Jedi Master and whip up a glass of Yoda soda. Our journey through the galaxy of Star Wars-inspired foods wouldn't be complete without a taste of the dark side. And what better way to embrace your inner Sith Lord than with a batch of deliciously menacing Death Star popcorn balls? These spherical treats, inspired by the Empire's planet-destroying weapon, are a staple at Star Wars viewing parties and fan gatherings. Traditionally, Death Star popcorn balls are made with a combination of popcorn, melted marshmallows and butter, forming a sticky and satisfying base. Black food colouring, added to the melted marshmallow mixture, gives the popcorn balls their signature dark hue, while edible silver sprinkles can be used to recreate the Death Star's menacing laser dish. Whether you're rooting for the Rebel Alliance or secretly cheering for the Empire, there's no denying the appeal of Death Star popcorn balls. So gather your ingredients, embrace your inner Darth Vader, and prepare to conquer your hunger with these deliciously evil treats. Our final stop takes us to a galaxy ruled by sugar and spice, where Princess Leia cupcakes reign supreme. These elegant treats are a tribute to the fearless leader of the Rebel Alliance, capturing her iconic hairstyle and rebellious spirit in every bite. The magic of Princess Leia cupcakes lies in their simplicity and attention to detail. A simple vanilla or chocolate cupcake serves as the base, while a swirl of white frosting, carefully sculpted to resemble Princess Leia's iconic buns, transforms them into edible works of art. Chocolate chips or mini chocolate candies can be used to create Princess Leia's piercing brown eyes. while a small piece of red licorice makes for a perfect pouty mouth. And of course, no Princess Leia cupcake would be complete without a touch of sparkle, added with a sprinkle of edible glitter or shimmering sugar crystals. Princess Leia cupcakes are more than just a sweet treat. They're a symbol of empowerment, rebellion, and the enduring legacy of Star Wars. So go ahead, indulge in a Princess Leia cupcake and celebrate the strength and determination of this iconic character. And so ends our culinary journey through the galaxy of Star Wars-inspired foods, from the refreshing blue milk of Tatooine to the decadent Death Star popcorn balls. These fan-created treats are a testament to the enduring power of the Star Wars universe. So next time you find yourself reaching for a snack, why not take inspiration from a galaxy far, far away? Whether you're baking Wookiee cookies for a viewing party or simply enjoying a glass of Yoda soda, let the flavors transport you to a world of adventure, excitement, and of course the Force. Remember, the Force will be with you always.